Why do you not?
Leon.
Bro.
So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers and trying to capture all 3 monsters. I love the one with those eyes.
Yep.
Ow! How dare you kick it? My brother's just being annoying beside me. I'm talking to my cousin Alex.
Hi YouTube and hi.
Hi. That was just my
Ella got afraid because I unplugged the mic instantly and then all she heard was, "Hi YouTube!"
They can hear you, Leon.
Oh wow, like I care.
Oh wow, like they care about you.
Actually they do, I probably create better content than you.
And die.
I gotta be creating Fortnite content, that's the best.
And who likes Fortnite content?
Just listen to
Oh my god, I just heard the
No.
whistle and go, hey!
I'm not being cringed out.
You are.
I'm not talking to you, Ellie.
I think you are. If you're not talking to me, then you're talking to no one. Oh my god, can I make it?
Yeah, well, I have to go kill a ghost henchman to become it.
So guys, if you haven't, go like all my videos, subscribe and click that notification bell.
Wait, head back to hub.
Whee! Please. Whee! Ready, please?
Same here.
No.
You're not the only one.
Whee.
Yo!
Oh yeah, I
Nothing
landed on the
become
roof.
wise.
I landed on the roof. Oh my god, I literally almost made it. That was a glitch. I almost done. Can I get 5 out of 5? Anytime.
Yeah, and he got banned before, remember?
One thing to tell you is anytime you're going through like a tunnel that only has one way, then
2,000.
not sad.
Now, Alex, I'm gonna grab the drum gun that I left down on the ground back there so it doesn't disappear. And I'm gonna go back and grab it.
And I think you're
And I'm
gonna
gonna...
kick me.
No, I'm Shadow Him. I'm actually Midas.
Are you actually gonna kick me? Okay, I think that was true. I think that was true. I think that was true. True.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chili with bologna. What?
W, what's it? Plow.
And we saw you. And we saw you just walking.
Yeah. No, I don't. I hate dying. Oh, and guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ella. Ooh. You frighten me.
Hello everybody, I like peanut butter.
Sorry about him. He's my annoying cousin.
Hey. No, for a second, all she could hear was a big explosion because explosion went off right beside me, like with a rocket launcher. And then she's like, and then she just hears you. Hi, I like peanut butter. And then she's just like, sorry about my annoying cousin.
You're really annoying. That's what you know.
Today.
Nice.
That didn't even go in, Alex.
Is that why you like peanut butter? I summer.
Did you go on a walk? Alex, did you go on a walk today to get some peanut butter?
Don't make fun of his peanut butter.
I will make fun of his.
No!
I will make fun of his peenie. Peenie, make fun of Beanie, make fun of.
I like Nutella as well, guys.
That wasn't even recording
I
right
have to
there.
go back to lobby. 'Cause look what
Alex,
happens
that wasn't recording.
once you respawn too many times. Don't take my loot. I'm still keeping it funny.
You're just like, there, you can join back in. I love to go slow, not fast.
You're gonna have to give me some AR ammo. I don't even have any.
Please say that you're an N. Oh.
Chicken wing, hot dog, and bologna.
N, I found N. Then I can spell clown. Yes. I spelled clown. Now I know I have an annoying brother and an annoying cousin.
Alex, you want to know what just happened? All you could hear was "Ah!" And then after that, when I plugged it back in and I was laughing, I legit fell off my radiator and I tripped.
How are all these jokes coming from there? Like how? I'm sorry, guys, for my annoying cousin and brother. Ow! now you definitely died, another brother. That wasn't even recording. I pressed pause.
Smack you!
Sorry, I fell over. That's why my thing is tilting.
Hello.
That's fine. Ah! Okay, that was recording.
Okay, I can't be unplugging it anymore. My parents are gonna.
Oh, I don't want to download anything. Karen Shearers.
All you hear in the background is.
That's all I.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homie.
Yeah, I can go on this. No.
Hear that voice work right now? I almost fell off the radiator.
Sorry guys, because he's being annoying. Now he's putting my foot. He's putting his foot all over you. One time streaks break him. I tried to save my own tablet.
Too bad he went in. Break your tablet in there.
No, you're not. I'm gonna break your Nintendo one day.
Smack and booty. Take a bite of the rice.
So guys, if you haven't, please like and subscribe to my YouTube. Oh my god, whenever I get these boots, I never need them. But today I need them. Boom. Extra high jump. Leon, stop it. Legit, I'm telling. Thank you for the lift. Mr. Box, I really need one. I could get a hat.
The worst beating ever. They always tattletale.
Who?
Do you see what just came up? Storm surge. Well, the storm will be coming.
Oh my god, guys, I'm legit so bad at this. Sorry, guys, I'm so bad at this.
Yeah, no, I killed a ghost henchman, then after I killed him.
Oh, I'm gonna open this. A hoverboard! Three times hoverboards, double tap activity. So if I double tap, I could get that.
Yes!
Alex! So if I double tap. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Wait, I'm gonna be an assassin.
soft jump. Yeah?
Keep your nose down. Get on.
Extra high jump and
Over.
Nose down. Just let it in.
Probably curry.
Oh jeez, I jumped too high. Yay, I got away with
Alright,
dying.
can you leave my room?
I got it. No. I got away with dying.
You do not know how much I actually miss the Tommy gun. No. What? Do you see mine? Wait, where's yours? I don't see yours. Okay, so I'm gonna ring the doorbell.
Monkey, that wasn't making any sense. Anyway, home.
Tell her just doesn't look this like this for now, but when I look like this. Hey, can I come in? Thanks. I'm gonna be on my phone for a bit because I'm starting my job.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. I'll see you next time.